tapi
Today we are attending this video.
Hi.
Akhir-akhir let's show your bahasa skill.
bahas.
Yeah. He really like chatting me with bahasa.
Oh iya.
Yeah.
What should I talk
Aku
about?
nggak tahu. Di mana kamu? Oh iya. Really? Really? Wow. The
So,
official Indonesian people.
orang Indo.
Orang Indo. Orang Indo.
Guys,
So cute.
malu.
Do you know Delia come to this
Please.
to this event at 3:29.
I'm aja. Nggak deh.
Yang ada. Where do you learn that? Di mana kamu belajar itu?
Dari teman aku.
Dari teman
Oh, dari teman aku.
Bagus.
What is your name, your friend?
What is the name of your friend? That
Is the name?
that friend.
Her name?
His name.
His
one
name?
The one that teach you. What is his or her name? That teach you ngarep word.
Many.
Many students. Oh,
Not
we
only
have to
one.
teach. We have to teach her too. Any word that Indonesian. Gabut.
Gabut, you know gabut.
Gabut.
Like
Gabut
nothing,
Not like you have nothing to do.
nothing to do.
Free. Yeah.
Free.
Yeah.